of Emirates, where you can go for your desert experience. Wow, I love it! Please subscribe! Let's go! Everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome to Dubai Desert, a place of endless sand dunes and breathtaking views. Today we are having an exciting adventure of the buggy ride in those amazing landscapes in the desert. We have just arrived at Monster Experience for our buggy rides in the desert. This is the reception for payments and other consultations. Look at those amazing sands and dunes. We are here to experience the thrill of riding a buggy through the desert. Let's go inside and meet our guide of the day.
For this example, buggy accident, damage session to buggy garage. How money they buggy is for garage for this.
At this point, the guide will give you a safety briefing on how safely to ride a buggy. He will also give you safety equipment like helmet, goggles to protect you from sand and sun. And of course, terms and conditions applied. You'll be given a form to sign to commit yourself to be a responsible rider in case of anything. The do's and don'ts are all explained at this level. There are also scarves to buy for around 40 dirhams to tie around your head for more protections. Moment of truth, and let's dive in. Oh, is it the right one? Riding a buggy in the desert is an unmatched experience. The powerful engine and the vast open space make it an adventure like no other. Feel the thrill as you climb up the steep dunes and then rush down the other side. It's like a roller coaster but in the middle of the desert. The ride is so bumpy and you got to hold on tight. Wow, I love it! Please subscribe! The golden sands and the clear blue sky creates a picture-perfect background for your adventure. And always remember to carry enough water with you, as you will not be able to find any water in the desert. Halfway through the ride, we take a break and have some water and soak in the view. From the top of the dune, you can see miles and miles of desert. It's a perfect time to take some photos, and there are also some activities like interacting with the falcon, the bird. Back on the buggies, we continue our journey. Each dune offers a new challenge and a new thrill. It is an adventure that keeps you on the edge of the seat. Other than buggy riding at Monster Experience, there are also other activities to enjoy the desert. So you can have a variety of activities just in one visit. All good things must come to an end, but the memories of this ride will last for a lifetime. A buggy ride in the Dubai desert is not just an activity, it's an experience we will never forget. Thank you so much for joining us on this amazing adventure. If you ever got a chance, don't miss out on buggy ride in the Dubai desert. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more adventure. Until next time, bye bye.